Okay, year 10s, welcome to our Thursday starter problem. Okay, last one for the week, so our theme is a little bit different today. I figure that you've had enough to do with simultaneous linear equations for the week, so we'll just look at writing some equations to describe situations and solving them. So our Thursday starter problem is here. Maria's watering can is initially filled with 2 litres of water. And the water can has a small hole that leaks at a rate of 0.4 litres per minute. So to write a rule for the volume of water, V litres in the can after T minutes. Okay, well, our equation is going to be V is equal to, the can can hold 2 litres maximum, and every minute it loses 0.4 litres. Okay, and we can define our time using the variable t. Okay, so that's our equation there describing that situation. Okay, V is equal to 2 litres minus 0.4 t. Now, we don't actually need the L there, so it will just be 2 minus 0.4 t. All right, now, part B, what volume of water remains after 90 seconds? So we're going to substitute 90 seconds in here. Okay, now, given that T was in minutes, because our water flowed at 0.4 litres per minute out of the tin, we actually need to convert that 90 seconds into minutes. So because there are 60 seconds per minute, that's 1.5 minutes. Okay, so when we substitute that into our equation, we're going to do 2 minus 0.4 times 1.5. Okay, and 2 minus 0.4 times 1.5 gives us 1.4 litres is left remaining. Okay, part C. How long would it take for all the water to leak out? Okay, so for all the water to leak out, that would give us a volume of 0. So when is the volume equal to 0? Okay, so substitute 0 in as our volume, and we're going to solve this equation. So we want to get t by itself. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of this 2. Okay, and we can do that by subtracting 2 from both sides of our equation. So you subtract 2 from 0, you get negative 2, and subtract 2 from 2, you get 0, and that will leave us with 0.4t. Okay, and then our next step is to get rid of this negative 0.4 by dividing both sides by negative 0.4. Which will just leave us with t on the right hand side, and negative 2 divided by negative 0.4 leaves us with a value of 5, so 5 minutes. Okay. All right, part D. Marie fills the can with 2 litres of water at her kitchen sink. What is the maximum amount of time she can take to get to her garden if she needs at least 600 mils to water her roses? So what we need to do here is we need to substitute 600 mils into our equation. Okay, so 600 mils is 0.6 litres. Okay, and we're going to substitute that into our equation, 2 minus 0.4t. Okay, and we will rearrange that equation much in the same way we did the last one. Okay, so we'll subtract 2 from both sides, so 0.6 minus 2, and that'll leave us with 0.4t, and then we will go through and divide both sides by 4. So 0.6 minus 2 leaves us with negative 1.4, okay, is equal to negative 0.4t. Dividing both sides by negative 0.4 will leave us with t, okay, and so negative 1.4 divided by negative 0.4 leaves us with a time of 3.5 minutes. Okay, so I don't have room to fit that in, I don't think. All right, so just as another little side point to what we've done, given our equation is v is equal to 2 minus 0.4t, just remember, okay, our y-intercept value of this function is 2, okay, and our slope is negative 0.4. Now for a slope of negative 0.4, just a reminder, okay, that means as we go across 1 in the x direction, we go down 0.4. So that would take us to 1.6. So about here. All right. And once we've got those 2 points, if we were to draw our line in, which should be straight, okay, that would then give us our graph. And then from the answer that we got for part C, we know that that x-intercept value here is 5 minutes. Okay, so that's our problem for today. I hope you all have a good break over the weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again, hopefully, on Wednesday. Thank you, guys. Bye.